Welcome students, today we are going to learn lesson number 16 of English grammar. Our lesson number 16 is subject and predicate. A sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. The subject is that part of the sentence that tells us what the sentence is about. It can be a noun or pronoun. The predicate is that part of the sentence that tells us more about the subject. Let's read the sentences. Amit rode his bicycle to the park. Priya went to the market. She ran all the way. She played really well. Subject can be one word or more than one word. For example, the statue of the Happy Prince is in a tall column. The statue of the Happy Prince is subject. Ritu and her friends are playing badminton. Ritu and her friends are subject. We generally use the subject at the beginning of a sentence, but sometimes it can come in the middle or at the end of the sentence. Let's read these sentences. The fisherman caught a big fish. The fisherman, the subject is at the beginning of the sentence. When will our holidays start? Our holidays is the subject. Subject is in the middle of the sentence. In the dustbin lay his pencils. His pencils is the subject. Subject lies at the end of the sentence. Imperative sentence is one that gives a command, an advice, or makes a request. Read these sentences. Close the door. Wash your hands. Bring me a glass of water. In these sentences, there is no direct subject mentioned. The subject is implied or added. Sentences mean the following. You close the door. You should wash your hands. You bring me a glass of water. So the subject in an imperative sentence is always you, which is implied and not mentioned directly.